Hey, it's Shay back again, and in today's video I want to show you a brand new campaign that I just recently started. I showed my students this new Make Money Online campaign and it's already doing over $300 per day. And I mentioned my students just then because I enjoy showing brand new campaigns to my students to help them stay motivated to go create their own Make Money Online campaigns. There's just nothing better than seeing my knowledge and input go into someone else and, see them go create their own successful Make Money Online campaigns. It's really a highlight of what I do, and it's something that I do on a daily basis. So instead of talking more about these campaigns, the campaign that I just recently started, I'm just going to jump in straight away. Alright, so this is one of the networks that I'm using to make this money online. And as I said, it's a new campaign. I just recently started from absolute scratch, and I basically hand this over to my students so they can copy and do the same thing. It just really makes it feel much easier for them when they can see that someone, who knows what they are doing can still also make money from scratch with a new Make Money Online campaign. And that's all it really honestly takes. If you don't know what you are doing, all you have to do is find someone who is willing to help you. Someone who has the time and has the experience and is even on the level that you want to be on. As long as you can find someone like that, then making money online is actually incredibly easy. So let's just jump into the first network here, and I'm actually just going to expand out these ones, going to do that. And you know what, just to full transparency, I'm going to actually show a campaign, an offer within this one network that is not doing as good, and in fact I'm going to be kicking it out today because it's just not doing that well. And you can probably see that if you just look at some of the numbers here straight away. Like this one here did $358 so far. Alright, and I said I only just started this campaign. I started on the 8th this month. Alright, so of course we're in May. It's the 11th today, and we're barely even halfway through the day, around 11 a.m. or so. And as you can see, some of the EPCs here, earnings per click, $1.90 it got up to just the other day, $2.03 in this offer. And what I basically do is I rotate a single traffic source amongst all different offers and different networks, and that's what I'm showing you right now. And as you can see, even on that best day for these ones, so the 9th, alright, even on that best day, I'll just keep it highlighted for a second. If you take a look here, even this offer here was still only down at 32 cents, which is, it's not good. I've got to say, it's just not that great. So I'm looking for closer to $1 or more per click if we can in this specific network. Now, I have other networks. I'm actually going to show you one, in fact, that even has over $6 a click. And in some of my other videos, I've even got networks that earn $7, $8, $9, $10 plus per click. Okay, and when I say that it's easy to make money online when you know what you are doing, or you have someone to show you what to do, it's even easier when you're making money online by just generating clicks alone. It's simply some of the easiest money I've ever made, and all my students tell me the same thing. And this is exactly why I enjoy bringing campaigns like this, not only to my students, but you right now, okay? Because you've probably never heard of it. Okay, so again, 358 made, 295 on that one, only 43 on that one. Gonna definitely be pausing that because, in my opinion, these 300 clicks that were spread to this offer could have been put on these two, and it would have made even more. But still, $702 made there so far. Now, just on the next network, same date, okay, so today is the 11th. Alright, this one has been up to $5.15, as you can see. Sent only 12 clicks then, not as much traffic coming to this one, but today a little bit more, So far, total $241 in that one, and as you can see today, $4.45 per click so far. That's definitely going to change a bit yet as well. So just on to the third network now. Again, same dates, as you can see right there. And this is the network that I just said before, $6.30 per click. And that was yesterday, and made, just $88.20 in this one network on this single day. And as you can see, only 14 clicks sent. So if you're getting paid higher, you definitely don't need to send as much traffic, and you'll still make a decent amount of money. So almost $265 made in this one, and if we add all of these up, it's basically around $300 plus per day already. And that's all there is to it in terms of showing you the reports and the earnings. But you know what? There's a lot more behind the scenes that, again, only my students currently are able to see. And this is a point of making this video as well for someone such as yourself, perhaps looking for ways to make money online or get to that next income level. If you are truly serious about making these kinds of campaigns happen for yourself, and you just want to see what in the world I'm doing to even do this, how I'm getting paid for just generating clicks, then I'm going to open this up for a short amount of time so you can get access now. But you do have to take action, okay? And you need to be serious, because I enjoy working closely with all of my students to help them get to that next level. So if you are serious and you'd really like to see how I am doing this and much more, then take action right now. Click the link at the top of the description now. Okay, it's just going to be a short link, a short bit.ly link, just to get you straight over to my site. And I'm just going to show that now as well, just so you can see. So as soon as you're here on my site, all you have to do is enter your best email address. Okay, right here in the email field, enter that in, and then click the Get Instant Access button below that. That will then take you to my thank you page, and on that page, I'm just going to have a really important reminder, and I'm just going to tell you right now so you can do it quicker, and that is to go check your email address. Alright, the email that you just typed in and entered on my site, go check that inbox. Okay, and try to find my welcome email from me, because in that email I'm going to have a bunch of really important information to help you get started quickly right now. So go do those few things right now. Take action while I have this opportunity available. Thanks for watching my video here, and I look forward to working with you really soon.